Hello everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to play correctly Power of Love by Huey on the News. This is a simple song, but it has some chord progression that you need to know. Let's see the intro part. First, we're gonna listen to the original track. So, there are two main guitar parts. One, it's a clean guitar part that goes like this. Then there's the second guitar that has an overdrive or a distortion sound and goes like this. So, what's important about this chorus? The chord progression is not C, E, F, G, B, C, E, F, G. It's C, C over E, F, G, G over B, and so on. And the distortion part plays like C. You need to let this note ring, so you can hear easily that it's a C over E. Then goes F, G, G over B. This is another common mistake because many players on the web play like this. It's a G over B. It's like a power chord. You just need to play the power chord and then put your pinky one fret higher. So this is the third B of G. And this is the intro part. The chorus is similar to the intro, but it has some variation. That's the power of love. So basically it's like the intro, but there's a different handing. B flat, F, G. That's the power of love. The clean part goes like the intro, but in the end it has this B flat F G variation that goes like this. B flat F G. That's the power of love, and so on. The outro is the same as the chorus. The only difference is that you don't have to play B flat, F and G. Just go C, C over E, F, G, G over B, etc. Now, let's look at the verse part. The verse part is based on this position. It's a C minor. You put away the pinky, it's a C minor 7. It plays around this chord and goes to the F, to the B flat, and goes like this. Sometimes there are some variation like or basically this is the verse. Let's move on to the bridge section. And then back to the verse. So what is going on here? So the chord progression goes like this: E flat, G over D, C minor, F13, A flat major 7. This is like an E flat over F, but the bass plays C, so it's an E flat over G. F9, again E flat over G, then A flat major 7, G sus4, G, and then go back to the verse. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you soon.